The Meraki Dashboard is a cloud-based service providing unified management for all your Meraki devices. It is constantly monitoring, optimizing, and reporting everything that goes on in your network. When this video is done, you will have a better understanding on the value and importance of the Meraki Dashboard. When we hover over the Network-Wide button on the left, the Monitor section gives you the ability to monitor your network's connected devices, while the Configure section allows you to configure certain settings specific to each Meraki network in your organization. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Clients section under Monitor. The Clients page shows a list of every client that is connected to your network. This top section provides you with a report on the usage of your network. The bottom section is a database of every device connected to the network, and a little info about each one. In the Search Clients box, I can search anything from an IP address to the name of the individual device. If you scroll over to this pie chart and click More, you can get more information on applications that are being used by the device and their usage info. You can click the Download As dropdown to export this information into a CSV or XML file.